Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change background color on Instagram story. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. The first step you need to do is to open Instagram. Once you open Instagram, you simply need to click on your story and then you need to click on camera, and here you need to click on create and then tap on the color icon in the right bottom corner. So you can see that you can easily change color from here, but if you want to change a specific color, you simply need to hold this icon and then you need to click on the icon on the top right, and then you need to click on draw, and you will find plenty of different colors from here. So hold any color. So I'm going to hold this color, and then you need to hold on the screen like this. Select a color from the bottom and hold on the screen to change the color, and then you can write on it anything that you want. So this is the process by which you can change the background color on your Instagram story. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.